Hi Mary, you're becoming quite a legend here at the company. If it wasn't for you, we wouldn't even be close to where we are today. We've completely transformed our PDX value stream, and we've gotten a good number of people practicing problem solving. What's next?
Thanks, Brian. I can't believe how well this has gone thus far. In fact, Karina thinks it is time for us to really begin utilizing a lean daily management system. We have a problem-solving culture beginning to form. Since we can solve problems, let's highlight the problems using a lean daily management system.
More problems? I thought we were verging on a problem-free operation.
There's always room for more improvement. The day we begin believing we're problem-free is the day we begin to fail. Karina taught me that they have a saying at Toyota, no problem is a problem. In other words, we have to always be improving toward the next target condition. Never be complacent.
I like that. I'll be using that line. No problem is a problem. So, what do we do next?
Karina is going to come back in and get us jump-started on a lean daily management system, so that we can sustain our improvement system. A lean daily management process ensures that the people, materials, and processes are flowing according to standard work. It helps us identify problems or abnormalities, top contributing causes, and countermeasures. And it helps us to monitor performance and sustains results.
Love it. Let's make it happen.
Welcome. We've come a long way together. The organization has undergone some major transformation. 6 months ago, no one could have predicted how much improvement could be made. But, one very important piece to sustaining a continuous improvement culture is missing, and that's why we are here today. We call it a lean daily management system. This system will enable you to identify abnormalities and problems, generate improvements, and sustain your results. Let's talk about what's included in an LDMS. Recall when we first began with strategy deployment? We gained alignment around goals and metrics, and identified key breakthrough initiatives. Each area started measuring just a few key metrics. Well, this is the next step. A daily management system includes some key visuals. These typically include a process control board that tracks hourly and daily output versus plan, and makes deviations obvious. The system also includes a performance tracking board. We already have these in each of our production areas, but now we need to expand them to other organizational functions, and we need to use them to track top problems and issues that prevent us from reaching our goals. The system also includes things like a Kaizen or improvement idea board, a formal place and process for our team members to identify improvements. There will also be other elements like standard work auditing, but before we get into the details, are there any questions?
So, now that we've been at this daily management process for a few weeks, I'm learning so much from engaging with our frontline team members. This is great.
Absolutely. We're holding huddles each day at the front lines, and our leaders are engaging with the team members so much more. Problems that haven't ever come to the surface before are now highlighted, which means we can solve them and keep improving.
Awesome. I'm loving this transformation.